Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Here is another step-by-step income tax tutorial for declaring your foreign income from state and private pensions. These types of pensions are not eligible for tax credits in France. Please subscribe and support the channel for some amazing content about expat life in France. First, do you know what is a non-government pension? Well, it refers to state and private pensions which are not related to government service. For example, we have EPF, PPF, NPS, etc. in India and state pension, DB, DC, SIP, etc. in UK. So, I have attached a couple of extracts from DTAS signed with India and the UK as examples. French income tax declaration forms accept only euros as currency. So, all the income earned outside France must be converted to euros on the exact date of receiving the income. The Bank of France publishes the daily exchange rates for various currencies. So, you can download the rates in CSV format and open in MS Excel etc. This Excel file will list the dates and the corresponding exchange rate for each currency. In this video, I will be explaining both the online and offline declaration methods. If you are submitting an offline income tax declaration, you can skip the online part. We must declare the foreign pension income first in Annexure 2047 and then carry forward them to the relevant sections in the main tax form 2042. The Annexure 2047 NOT tax guide about foreign income helps in completing the 2047 form. It also lists the tax credits applicable for income from various countries. Now, let us explore the online way of declaring a foreign state or private pension income. First, log into your imports account to start the declaration. I have already made a detailed video tutorial about submitting an online declaration. So, I will be focusing only on the relevant sections related to pensions henceforth. On the online declaration, make sure to check these two boxes related to income earned abroad. If not, you will not see the Annexure 2047. If done correctly, you will see Annexure 2047 as shown on the screen. Click on it to declare the income earned abroad. This is the starting page to declare all the income earned outside France. Click Next after reading the information. On this page, you must check the box as shown on the screen. If not, you will not see the relevant lines to declare these pensions. Next, we move on to the Section 1 of the Annexure 2047. In Section 1 line 12, start entering the details of the foreign state or private pension as shown on the screen. The pension amount must be added without any deductions. Unfortunately, this section does not benefit from an automatic reporting to the 2042 form. So, you must manually carry forward this total to the relevant sections in the main tax form. Finally, enter the info from Section 1 line 12 in the 2047 form to line 1am or 1bm in the main tax form 2042 as shown here. If you entered all the relevant sections correctly, you will see a final summary without any error messages. Now, let us explore the offline way of declaring a foreign state or private pension income. You can download the Annexure Forms 2047 and the main tax form 2042 from the links shared in the description below. Let us take an example of 100 euros of non-government pension income earned in India or the UK. If you are from a different country, feel free to ask your questions in the comments below. In Section 1 line 12, start entering the details of the foreign state or private pension as shown on the screen. The pension amount must be added without any deductions. All the income entered in Annexure 2047 must be carried forward to the relevant sections in the main tax form 2042. Finally, enter the info from Section 1 line 12 in the 2047 form to line 1am or 1bm in the main tax form 2042 as shown here. Many frequently asked questions are answered on my website prasantragopathy.com under the income tax category. You can also ask your questions in the comments below and I will try to answer as much as possible. A few examples of these FAQs answered on my website. And there you have it, the step-by-step process of declaring the foreign non-government pension income. Remember, it is important to submit your income tax declarations on time and accurately to avoid penalties from the French tax department. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support the channel for amazing content about expat life in France. Have a great day.